Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the map sound in the segment. I will describe the location of several important places around the area, and I will explain them one by one in the clear and detailed way. Before I begin, let's imagine that we are standing right in the middle of the map. From this point, it will be easier to understand where each place is located. First, let's talk about the public hospital. Yes, there is a public hospital near here. The hospital is located on the right side of the map. It is placed below Jalan Yosudarso and it's exactly beside Jalan Marta Dinata. The hospital is easy to find because it is the only large building in that area, and it's located not far from the main crossing. Next, the National Bank of Indonesia. This bank is positioned on the upper left side of the map. It is located above Jalan Yosudarso. If we walk straight along the street and look to the left, we will easily see the bank. The building stands quite close to the Chinese restaurant and Ramayana, but it is on the opposite of the road. Now let's move to the right side of the map. Ramayana department store is located on the upper right section. It's above Jalan Yosudarso and placed directly next to the Chinese restaurant. So it will probably be one of the easiest places for people to notice if they are visiting this area for shopping or looking for basic needs. Since we mentioned Ramayana, let me also describe the Chinese restaurant. The restaurant is located in between the National Bank of Indonesia and Ramayana. It is above Jalan Yosudarso and right in the center of the upper part of map. This restaurant can be a good place to stop by for lunch or dinner if someone is visiting their marketplace or the department store nearby. Next, let's talk about the drugstore. The drugstore is located below Jalan Yosudarso, specifically on the left side of Jalan Marta Dinata. It is positioned close to the railway station, making it convenient for travelers who may need medicine or first aid before or after traveling. Finally, the railway station. The railway station is also located below Jalan Yosudarso, on the left side of the map, right next to the drugstore. If someone needs direction to the station, it is very easy to explain. They simply need to go down from Jalan Yosudarso and move toward the left area of the map. So, those are the detailed explanation of the location based on the map. Understanding the map becomes easier when we imagine walking along the street and looking at the nearby buildings. Now I will continue to the second part of the video, where I will talk about my hobby. I will share not only what my hobby is, but also when I usually do it, how often I do it, and why I enjoy it. My hobby is reading books. Reading has been one of my favorite activities since I was young. I enjoy reading because it helps me relax. It stimulates my imagination, and it also helps me learn many new things. I usually read in the evening after I finish my daily work. Evenings are the best time for me because everything is quiet and I can focus more on what I am reading. Sometimes if I have free time during the day. I also read for a little while, especially when I am waiting or resting. In my spare time, I enjoy reading different kinds of books. Sometimes I read novels because they are enjoyable and entertaining. Sometimes I read educational books to improve my knowledge, especially about teaching, psychology, and personal development. I also read online articles or ebooks because they are easy to access and can be read anywhere. I can say that I read very often. Reading is part of my daily routine. Even if I am busy, I try to read at least a few pages before going to sleep. On weekends or holidays, I usually read for a longer time because I have more free time. I enjoy reading because it helps me grow as a person. Books give me new ideas, new perspectives, and new inspiration. They also help me relax and reduce stress. For me, reading is not only a hobby but also a way to improve myself. For recreation, I usually like visiting the city park or the local library. The city park is peaceful and I enjoy sitting there while reading or just enjoying the fresh air. The library is also one of my favorite places because it's quiet and full of books, which make it perfect for relaxing and learning. So that is the story about my hobby. Reading gives me joy, knowledge, and comfort. It is an activity that I truly love. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoy it and found it easy to understand. See you the next video.